Today we're taking a look at some sample problems from section 13.3 on truth in lending, and we'll begin with number 2 on page 711 in our text. Directions before we even start say round all monetary answers to the nearest cent unless otherwise directed. Okay, so first finding true annual interest rate. Find APR or true annual interest rate to the nearest 0.5% for each loan. So in number 2, I'm trying to get my pen to write. We have $1,700. That's the amount financed. Finance charge is $202. Number of payments is 24. So it's financed over 2 years. Okay, so what we want to look at, we want to find the APR, true annual interest rate. So what we want to look at is the table that we have on page 707. It's table 5. It says number of monthly payments, and we'll have 24. All right, and then we have to figure out H, which is the finance charge per $100 of amount financed. So as we look at this, we see the finance charge is 202 divided by the amount financed. Okay, and we want that per $100 financed. So to get that, we want to multiply by 100. So that's going to leave us with 17 in the denominator. So we need to divide 202 divided by 17, and we get 1188. Per $100 finance. Okay, number of payments and this amount are what we need for the table. So if we go to the table, we could go down the side. Number of monthly payments is 24. We want to go across to get as close as we can to 1188, and I see 1186. So I'm looking at 11% would be a rough estimate of the APR. So notice I didn't find exactly 1188 in the table, but I get as close to it as I can. Okay, so that's finding the APR. Now we want to find the monthly payment. In number 6, we're given the amount of the purchase price, down payment, okay, purchase price, down payment is $450. Finance charge is $700. And number of payments is 36. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to work and alright, so our purchase price is $42.80. Okay, and we have a down payment of $450. Okay, so $42.80 minus $450 gives us $38.30. So that's the amount financed. And so Okay, so we have a finance charge of $700. So we need to add that on. And now we need to divide that over the 36 payments. That's a plus. So we'll have 4530 divided by 36, and I'm getting 125.83. For each payment. Okay, let's move to the next group and we'll do number 10. Find the APR, true annual rate, to the nearest 0.5% for each loan. Alright, so purchase price is $32.50. Down payment $7.50. Add-on interest is 7%. And number of payments is 36. Okay, so let's calculate our interest. First, let me subtract the down payment so we know how much is financed. Okay, $32.50 minus $7.50 down payment. So that's $2,500 that is borrowed, so to speak. So we have P times R. 36 months is 3 years. So we have 2,500 times 0.07 times 3, 525. So, what are we asked to find? Oh, we're asked to find the APR. Okay, so we want to take the amount financed, which is the $2,500, and we want to divide that into the finance amount and multiply it by 100. So we're going to get 525 divided by 25 is 21. So that's per $100 financed. And we have 36. So these are the two payments. Those are what we need for our table 5. So we go to 36 payments and we go across till we get as close as we can to 21. Okay, it looks like 2130, so that's about 13%. Okay, so 13% would be the APR. So I didn't actually have to do that. I was thinking we were calculating the payment. Alright. Next group, unearned interest by the actuarial method. Each loan was paid in full before its due date. Obtain the value of H from Table 5, then use the actuarial method to find the amount of unearned interest and find the payoff amount. So, let's see, I think I'm going to move to a new page so I have plenty of room.